So I'll be making use of 5 size 9 this twine color thread. This is twine thread. Some call it fishing thread. So let's go. Like I said, I'll be making use of 5 size 9 twine thread. So make a slip knot. Then you work 4 chains. Then make a slip stitch from the first chain. That's it. You slip stitch. Here is the center. You can see the center. Then make another 4 chains. Then work 3 double crochet. 3 double. 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Then make 2 chains. 1, 2. Make another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Can see it. So you make 1 chain and make a double crochet. A double crochet, so that you have the same thing on the opposite side. That's it. Then you make 4 chains. Make another 4 chains. So you crochet from this first one. That's it. So remember, we're working with double crochet all through. So yeah, I'm making 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet. That's it. Then chain 1. Chain 1. Then make 3 double crochet. Here is the middle, as in the center. 3. Then make 2 chains. 2 chains. Once you crochet on the center, always make 2 chains, but other places are 1 chain. On the same stitch, make 3 double crochet. Yeah, you can see it. Then chain 1. Then on the next stitch, you make 3 double crochet. So watch closely so that you will know where I'm crocheting, where my stitches, the stitches I'm using. 3 double crochet. This is the second one. And the third one. Then make 1 chain. Then on the same stitch, make a double crochet. This is the end of row 2. You can see it has already started forming triangle. So row 3 now, you make 4 chain. Then work 3 double crochets here. 2 and 3. You chain 1, you make 3 double crochet on the next stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then you chain 1. Then this place is now is the center. You make a 3 double crochet. 3 double crochet. So now we are going to make 2 chains. Remember what I said? Once you get to the middle, you make 2 chains. Other ones are 1 chain. On the same stitch, you make 3 double crochet. On the same stitch. That's it. Then you chain 1. 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Then chain 1 on the last stitch, 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Then chain 1 and make a double crochet on the same last stitch. I said it earlier, at the end of each row you make a chain and repeat a double crochet. You can see it. So that is how we'll be doing it. I'm now on the 3rd row, so keep doing, work more 1 row, more 1 row. You can see it. Here is the center, so continue with what I have explained till make extra 1 row. After making 4 chains, you make 3 double here, make 1 chain, make another 3 double here, make 1 chain, make another 3 double here, make 1 chain, make another 3 double here, then make 2 chain on the same center one, make another 3 double, then make 1 chain, keep working till the end. Then here, this place is the last place, you make 3 double, make 1 chain, make 1 double on the same stitch. Yeah, you can see it. So on the 5th row, then on this 5th row now, there will be changes. Just watch closely. Make 4 chains. You can see it. Then on the first stitch, you make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Then make 1 chain. On the same last stitch, you make 3 double. Three. You can see it. Then chain 1. Then work 3 double here. So you walk to the middle here. Yeah. So here now I'm going to create something. Just watch closely. I'm working on the middle now. Make 3 single crochet. 3 double crochet, not single, 3 double crochet, 2, and 3. Yeah, you can see it. So here we're going to work 10 chains. 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's it. Then after that, you work another 3 double on the same stitch. 3 double. Here you can see it. 1, 2, 3. You can see it. So keep working till you get to the end. So on the last stitch, you make a chain. Then here you work 3 double. 2, and 3. Then you make a chain. Then on the same last stitch, you make another 3 double crochets. 2, and 3. Yeah, you can see it. So this is what you will have at the end. You can see the curves. So let's create the rope. So I'll be making 75 chains. So you can make more than, depending on the size of the rope you want. So I'm making 75 chains. Here is it. So this other side, fix my thread and make another rope, 75 chains. Yeah, it did. If you have watched to this point, that means you love this video. Then hit the subscribe button below this video for more tutorials on how to crochet. Like and share. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.